Hello friends, welcome to Coding Shiksha. So today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to convert image into PDF using jsPDF and html2canvas library. So this is a project that we will be building. You can see that this is an image which is embedded in HTML. So there is a button out there. So if I click this button, save PDF, so a sample file will be downloaded. If I open this file, you will see that image is embedded in that PDF document. So this is the tutorial. So this is the overall code that we will be writing here. Let me just delete all the code and write this code from scratch. So basically, the server will auto reload. So you can see that our application is empty now. So basically 3 scripts you want to import. First of all, you need to import Jquery, include the CDN, then import the html2canvas. You can just search for it, it is very easy. Jquery, I will not, just Jquery CDN. If you write here, you will get the CDN, copy paste it, and after you have html2canvas, just write this and CDN. You will get this first website, and you can just copy paste the CDN here. Various CDNs are given, so just copy this min.js CDN. And lastly, we will also need the jsPDF. So just write here jsPDF debug CDN, and the first result will be there. So you can just copy paste this debug, copy it and just paste it here. That's it. These are dependencies of the project. So now let me just write the basic HTML that is required inside the body. So basically, the first, inside the body we will be having a div which has a class of some HTML. So inside this we will be having some heading here. This is some HTML, and apart from that we will be having a image tag. So image source, let me assign a source from an online. You can just use online website, this Unsplash. So go to Google here. You can always embed your own images, but I am just using Unsplash. It is most powerful tool for online images, free tool. So I can just copy this image address, and I can just paste it here in the source. So if I reload the application once again, so you can see that this is some HTML and this is the image tag. So now let me also give, after this we will be having a button here which will be of let me assign a on click attribute. So whenever we click on the button, we will be executing this function, that is generate PDF. So after this, the label of the button will be save PDF, that's it. So now you will see that save PDF is there. So if we click, we have to generate the PDFs. So for that we will be writing the JavaScript. So just above, create a script tag. So inside this, first of all, I will target the element, that is div. So I will write document.query selector. So inside this I will pass the ID, which is some HTML. Sorry, H is large. Some HTML, that's it. So we have successfully captured the div. After this we need to call the html2canvas library. So for this, let me create this custom function, generate PDF. So inside this I will be, first of all, we creating a new variable called as image data. So this will convert the image into actual PDF. So let me just declare this first of all, and then I will call the html2canvas library. So inside this I will target the div, the actual div. So I have already captured this div, so I can just pass this div here. And after this we have some options here. So in this curly brackets we can provide some options. So the first option is use course. So So you need to pass this option, use chords to true. So the second option is a callback function which is on rendered. So whenever the document is rendered, we need to execute this function. So inside this, it takes the canvas, actual canvas that you want to convert to PDF. So it takes the actual canvas, and after this we need to manipulate the image data variable, image data, and we can use the canvas to, there is a function in order to convert the canvas into the actual data URL. So to data URL, this function we will use here. This function we will use. Inside this we need to provide a image extension. So let me provide the image.png. So after this you need to write semicolon. So this will convert the actual image. Now we need to make the document a PDF document with the help of jsPDF. So make a new variable doc, initialize jsPDF library function. This is a constructor. First argument will be p, small p. This is in order to declare a new document. Second will be the pixel, or you can use point here, pt stands for point. And the third argument will be A4 size of paper. So this will initialize the document for us. And after that we need to add the image to the document by calling document.addImage method. So in order to add the actual image, we need to pass the image data first of all, comma, the actual extension of the image, that is png, comma, x and y coordinates 10, 10. That's it. So after this we need to save this image, or we need to save the document. So for that, save the PDF document. So for that we have a specific function in jsPDF, that is doc.save, save function. Inside this you can name your document anything you want. Let me name it sample file.pdf. And after this we need to open the image data also. So by calling window.open image data, that's it. So this will open the image for us in the PDF document. That's it guys. So this is all the code necessary. If I refresh this application and click the save PDF button, let me just check the developer console if any kind of error take place. Cannot read property length of null. It is there in, let me check the error here, content.html2canvas generate cannot read property. Let me see what is the problem here. Just replace here the selector here, just replace dollar, and we will be passing the ID. What is the ID? Some HTML. So if I reload the page, so you can see that the error is gone guys. So now if I save the PDF, you can see that a PDF file has been downloaded. And if I open this PDF file, let me open this. So you will see that our image has been there in this PDF document. You can see that. So in this way you can just add any sort of image into your PDF document using HTML2canvas and jsPDF. So thanks very much guys for watching this video.